Hey, good morning, Dean. I just finished watching the video that you made with Kevin Hardin about the differences between short sales and foreclosures, what the real impact is, whichever way you go. It's great information. I mean, there's so much misinformation out there. I think a lot of people are making these really important decisions and they just don't have the facts. So it was really great to get his legal perspective on things and what he's seeing from the clients that he's working with. A couple things that really struck me. One of the things that I think people don't realize is that you are protected from deficiency judgments here in Arizona in a lot of cases, but not with a HELOC, not with those second loans that people have taken out to take some of the equity of their home to maybe do some home improvements or pay off credit card bills or whatever, that they're actually liable for the deficiency on those even after foreclosure in a lot of cases. Those second lien holders can come back after the homeowners, and sometimes they're going after the full amount owed. So the short sale is their opportunity to negotiate the settlement of that debt outside of the courts. You may have to write a check in order to get the short sale approved, but you're going to have an agreement in writing saying we're even Steven, we're not going to be coming after you later on. So that's a great benefit I think a lot of people don't think about. We have seen quite a few people who are trying to go through these short sales without legal counsel, and they end up with six-figure judgments against them because of those second liens. So it's really unfortunate that they're not getting the right advice up front. The other thing that really struck me was that Kevin said that out of all the people that come to him for counsel, only 1% are advised that a foreclosure would be better for them than a short sale. 99% of the time, the short sale is the better way to go. And yeah, not all the short sales get approved, and that's really unfortunate. But nevertheless, they could be giving it a shot and end up better down the road, make a choice that's better for their family down the road. And why aren't they doing that? There's a lot of emotions that they're dealing with when they're trying to make this decision. I think for a lot of people, they view losing their home as a failure, when in fact, with the current situation right now, it's just the way it is. There's literally millions of people going through the same thing, and a short sale is a good faith negotiation to settle up the debt. So they're coming in this thinking, you know what, I'm a failure, I'm losing my home, and if I do a short sale, everyone's going to know it. There's going to be a for sale sign in my yard, and people are going to be asking a lot of questions, and they're going to know that I'm short selling, and I'm going to feel like a loser. People are going to come traipsing through my home, and they're going to see all the things that I didn't have a chance to fix. I don't have any money to fix up my house. I don't want people to see me like this. And they may be viewing a foreclosure as a more private way to exit. You know, you're just going to stay in the house till the bank takes over. You're going to move out. It's all, you know, non-public. But the problem is, even though you've sort of spared yourself some bad feelings, in the long run, you may end up a lot worse off. There's nothing to be ashamed of if you have to short sell your house. Absolutely nothing. It's really a wise, prudent, responsible choice to make. In a lot of cases, it's really the very best decision. It puts you in the driver's seat. You get to control the exit strategy of your home. And you get the chance to negotiate with the lender and put yourself in the best possible position in the end. And I think that the more research people can do and the more people like Kevin that they can listen to and talk to, the less likely they are to make an emotional decision, and the more likely they are to make a decision that's based on fact, you know, thinking with their head more than their heart. We talk to a lot of people who are facing this decision, and I'm really proud that we've decided to help people in this situation. You know, we really committed ourselves in our business to do everything possible to make sure that if they do decide to do a short sale, that it actually gets approved. We can't advise them to do a short sale. We can't give them any advice on that regard, but if that's their decision, we're going to fight for them and make it happen. It's a tough time right now. A lot of people are facing some tough decisions, and so I really thank you for sitting down with Kevin and asking these questions and putting this information out there. I think it's really, really good. So thanks for putting that together. Appreciate it. I know a lot of people are going to benefit from it, and we'll catch you tomorrow.